Right, everything's ready now, so there's no more waiting. Once this goes in, that's it, we're committed. We're moving out of standby and actually getting things in the ground. And once this starts, the system's live. It's the 18th of April. The preparation phase is over. The window has opened. We're no longer planning this garden. We're running it. Let's start in Zone 1. The calorie engine. This is where the bulk of our food comes from. The heavy lifting. We're using 30-litre containers for the main crop potatoes. Consistency is the rule here. Every bucket gets the same input, so the output stays predictable. Let's check the measurement. That's one handful onto the scale, 55 grams. That's the standard. I split it into 2 layers. Compost. Half goes into the bottom. Then the potato. Placed carefully, eyes facing up. The second half goes into the middle layer, so the roots find it as they move down and out. It's simple, but it works. We don't guess here. We measure and we repeat. Each bucket becomes a unit. Now it's back into the arsenal. These tomatoes have outgrown their cells. We're potting them on. Lift, place, firm it in. They stay here until the ground is finally ready. Now we move to Zone 3, the protein factory. The beans are going into modules first. We sow them, water them, and stack them. Now we deploy the beetroot. Space them out. Drop them in. Firm the soil. Zone 3 is now partially active. Time for a field report. Garlic first. Clean, no rust. Broad beans. Strong. Holding. We leave them alone. Now, Zone 2. The engine room. We're planting sweet peas. Support plants. Bringing in pollinators. Plant, Firm. Tie. Now, the decision. Outdoor cabbage. Struggling. Tunnel cabbage. Thriving. So we remove them. Lift and pull. Nothing is wasted. Chickens take it. The energy stays in the system. The bed is empty. We move immediately. Rake. Level. The system's moving now, but it's not quite balanced yet. Zone 1 is running. Zone 3 is starting to come online. But Zone 2 is still under a bit of pressure. And everything has started happening at once. The nursery's full. The beds are only just opening. And every decision now matters. What goes in? What waits? And what gets left behind? Because once this moves forward, there's no slowing it down. The system is in motion now. But it's not quite stable yet. We're not guessing the season. We'll track it. Step by step. And what will happen next will come down to what actually works. Then we'll see how the system performs. This is where it begins to accelerate, with the next update already in motion. Join me soon for that.